Hey folks, this is Aniket Singh and welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Trends. Guys, in this video, I am going to tell you about the different coding platforms from where you can learn to code from scratch as well as mastery in data structures and algorithm. So let's start. So basically our first platform is HackerRank. So visit hackerrank.com and in the below section, you can find the different skills available for you to practice. You can choose any one of the skill and then learn and then code from scratch. For demo, I am showing the C++ section. So these are the various questions which are available and which are categorized in different parts as well as classes. You can solve any one of the question. As you can see, these are the problem statement as well as input and expected output. And this is the code arena part for where you can code as well as edit this code and click on the submit code button. And our next coding platform is HackerEarth. It is same as HackerRank, but it's slight different because it consists of various ongoing live coding competitions around the world, which is in online mode. You can participate in it now. And in this section, you can go to the practice tab and select any one of the skill, and then you can learn to code from scratch, but I prefer you to start online programming. And our third coding platform is CodeChef. You might be knowing about this. In this section, go to the practice tab and choose beginner if you are a beginner, and according to your skills in programming you can choose any one of the tabs. For example, easy, medium and hard. For example, I am taking easy. You can choose any one of the skill from this and learn, and you can start coding from this. And for learning data structures and algorithm, you can go in certification tab, and in the certification tab you can see here prepare option. So just click on it and you can see the different data structures and algorithm tutorials which are given here, with as well as the different questions on every topic. You can, after studying, you can solve it from here. And our fourth coding platform is Codeforces. It's just same like CodeChef, where you can see the questions and based on the input and output expected, you can submit your question from your computer. From a beginner, I want you guys to start from HackerRank and then HackerEarth, not to go directly with CodeChef, because CodeChef is just kind of thing for competitive programmers. So I advise you guys to start from HackerRank and then HackerEarth, and after mastering to CodeChef, you can take your contest and in Codeforces, which are always going on. So yes guys, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you.